guys, it's me, Tom Tombadil of the Black Pants Legion, and today we're gonna make candied milk. It's delicious. So first things first, get some beers open, cause you're gonna need them. Let's buckle up for this. It's time to get wang chunged. So our first ingredient is gonna be ice cream, but we need it to be a liquid. Yeah, that'll do. The next ingredient we need is booze. So get some schnapps and all the tiny liquor bottles you can find. Yeah, there you go. Put them all in the jar. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Almost there. Keep going. Yeah, all of them. Vanilla extract. Whatever, put it in. Okay, it's probably gonna taste like crap, so we gotta sweeten it up. Put some sprinkles in it. Alcohol makes me sleepy, so yeah, we need some of that. Except it's too much liquid, so we gotta reduce it down. Keep going. Your saucepan looks like my toilet after taco night. Just throw that in the fridge for a while.
Stop right there. Did I stutter when I issued my formal decree? No more meat, unless it's for me. Turn around. Go back inside. I am seizing this unlawful meat. Now get out of here!
Okay, now it's time to combine our ingredients. Throw some sugar cereal marshmallows in there. There you go. And now a little sugar. That got a sweet tooth. Now we need sweet milk. Put that sweet milk in, boy. Usually we use high fructose corn syrup, but I guess cactus sugar will have to do. Maple syrup. We're not Canadian. Put it in the ice cream now. Now a little milk. Now we put in the booze. And now we put in our juice. Why does that look like the laxative from Dumb and Dumber? Mix to combine. Only the finest of chalices for our candied milk. Yeah, put some sugar on the rim, like a margarita thing. Or wait, do you put salt on those instead? I don't know. It looks kind of like concrete, but that's normal. Top with whipped cream. And nerds. That's how to make candied milk. Bon appetit. I drink these instead of protein shakes. Wow, it looks like the world's worst lava lamp.